If you're looking to combine AI with templates to scale your copywriting, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it, whether you're a solo writer or part of a team. Let's dive right in. The first step is to understand how powerful AI tools are when paired with structured templates. With AI, you can generate unique copy faster, but templates help you maintain consistency and structure. Think about it. AI generates content based on prompts, and templates give it a framework to ensure that every piece is aligned with your goals. Now, I know you've probably tried a ton of popular software already, but I'm going to share an exclusive free trial to the software we're using today, available only to viewers of my channel. You can find the link in the description if you want to follow along. Let's move on to how to get started. The first thing you'll want to do is choose a template. Whether you're writing ads, blog posts, emails, or landing pages, there are templates designed to serve specific types of copy. These templates are structured in a way that guides the writing process from start to finish. The key here is making sure the template you use matches the type of copy you need to produce. Once you've got your template, here's where AI comes into play. AI can help fill in the gaps. You don't have to start from scratch every time. For example, if you're using a sales page template, you can prompt the AI to generate compelling headlines or product descriptions. Just input the right keywords, tone, and context, and watch the AI work its magic. One of the best things about this combination is how it saves you time. By automating repetitive tasks like generating the first draft, you're freeing up your energy for higher-level creative thinking. AI can provide ideas, suggest variations, and even improve your existing copy. With templates, it's like having a reliable blueprint that ensures everything you write has a clear direction. Let me give you a real-world example. Imagine you're writing an email campaign. With a good email template, you can quickly draft the body text and then use AI to personalize it by filling in the blanks with the right product name or special offer. The AI will even help you optimize the tone, making sure it aligns with your brand voice. But remember, this isn't a set it and forget it solution. You'll want to edit and tweak the AI-generated content to ensure it's perfect. Use your own creativity to refine the message, and you'll see how fast and efficient scaling your copywriting becomes. To recap, start with a template that suits the type of copy you're writing. Then use AI to generate the content and fill in the blanks. This combo lets you scale your copywriting without losing quality, and it speeds up your workflow. The key takeaway here is that combining AI with templates is a game changer for scaling your copywriting. It helps you save time, stay consistent, and produce high-quality copy quickly. And don't forget, take advantage of the exclusive free trial I mentioned earlier to follow along. If you want to dive deeper into the software we're using, check out the link in the description for your free trial. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.